What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to analyze, how to discover, and how to see the SEO and content score about any website. So imagine that you have a blog that you respect, you like the content, you would like to know more about the SEO strategy, about the content, about how optimized this blog is for search engines. There is a free Google Chrome extension for it, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to install and how to use it, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. For this tutorial, of course, you're gonna need Google Chrome, okay, because this is a Google Chrome store extension. There is an extension for Microsoft Edge as well, as long as I know, but I did not test it. I just tested the Google Chrome one. So go to Google and type Chrome Web Store, just like this. You're going to be into this page, and into the search, extensions, and themes, you're going to type all-in-one SEO. And here is the guide that we are looking for. Remember this icon with the gear and the plugin into the middle. Click on it. Here is the plugin, okay? It's a very popular WordPress SEO plugin. There is now have a Google Chrome SEO extension. So we're going to click on Add to Chrome, just like this. We're going to click on Add Extension. Pay attention to every extension that you install on Google Chrome, okay? Extensions are very serious things, okay? Click on it. Let me reload the page. Now click into the extension. Pin it, just like this. Now click into the extension. And let me load some site. For example, Amazon.com. So sometimes it do some bugs, okay? Nothing to worry. But after some time, they're gonna review the site, okay? It may take a while, so be patient, okay? But after some attempts, you're gonna have these results, okay? You have image, schema, social, some tools, okay? So there is some nice information to know about the site, okay? So there is a lot of information right here about the headings, the links, okay? There is internal, external, unique. We can explore every single part of this. We have some images, all with alt text, without alt text, with title and no title, okay? So you can see the images one by one as well. You can see the schema. What's schema? No schema markup found on this page. Just is because this is the Amazon homepage, okay? Products have schemas. There is social, okay? Very interesting social about Amazon. Can see Open Graph and Twitter or X. And there is other tools right here, okay, that you can use to explore and enhance your SEO. For example, Moz and Hush, Google Page Speed Insights, Similar Web, okay? So there is a lot of good information about it. And you can do this process into every single site, okay? Simple, easy, and works for free. So it gonna gives you an idea about your competitor, about a business you like, about a blog you like. So use the data on your favor, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass. and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.